In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn on professional mode on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app and then go to your profile. Then tap at menu, select Settings and Privacy, and then scroll all the way down until you find Account Type and Tools. Then tap at Switch to Professional Account, and then go through all of these steps to turn on professional mode. And when you hit at Next, your account will be switched to a professional account. You can see that professional dashboard here at your profile page. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.